Hi students, our next video lecture based on electric dipole. Electric dipole in uniform electric field, which means the case or different case we are taking now. If any electric dipole like this, dipole means two equal and unlike charges are separating certain distance. So two equal and unlike charges separating some distance, which distance we already known, that is 2a. Okay, one dipole has been taken like this, and one uniform electric field traveling like this direction. Consider one dipole and one electric field, uniform electric field. So this field is traveling, and we kept one dipole at certain angle theta. Okay, certain angle theta to the electric field. So now we are going to find how much force are developing due to uniform electric field. So now individually charge we are going to calculate the field. So see here, this is one of the charge. So in this charge, the field, how much force is affecting, according to electric field intensity definition, E is equals to the force acting per unit charge, which means how much force is experienced, that is EQ. This is according to electric field intensity definition. Now same formula I am applicable here. So on plus Q charge, how much force is affecting due to like this direction, which is moves away from towards the electric field. So which is the total force affecting is equals to plus Q charge EQ, and due to this negative charge it moves like this direction, and again the electric field, the effective force acting on this charge, which is minus EQ, because the charge is negative. So let me write on the words. The force on, let gives a point here A, B. On A point, how much? Minus EQ. How much force we are expecting? FA. Similarly, the force on B, FB is equals to, how much force here? FB is equals to EQ. Equation 1 and 2. So this is how many forces are acting. Now see here one force acting like this direction and one more force acting like this direction. See, this is one of pen. So pen, the force is acting like this direction for dipole, and this one also acting like this direction, which means this moves this way and this moves this way. Its work as like a torque. See, like this field, along the field it moves like this, and if it is field acting more like this direction, because the dipole having some certain angle. So if you, in this case, definitely we can develop one force which is torque. We know the torque formula. The force cross perpendicular to the distance. So how much force we are acting, we know the formula according to the definition, and how much perpendicular distance we need. Perpendicular distance means to the distance of this one. If I draw a dotted line, this is a perpendicular line to the field. For suppose normal line N. So what is the effective distance? This is, we know, 2a, and this perpendicular distance we need, which means opposite function na. So I am taking sine theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. So opposite how much? A n by adjacent A B. Therefore A n is equals to A B sine theta. A B means 2a sine theta. The perpendicular distance of the dipole. So force, how much force here acting? EQ, whatever plus or minus, into the perpendicular distance of this one, which means AN, generally according to the formula AN. Therefore EQ cross AN means 2A sine theta. Already we got here. So if it is simplified like this, E into 2AQ sine theta. This definition already we known, which is electric dipole moment 2AQ. So E cross E into P bar sine theta. Okay, if it is sine theta function has been removed, then the torque function will comes like this. EP sine theta, or we can write it P bar cross E bar, which means this is a vector product. Sine theta, already we know A cross B is equals to AB sine theta, one of the definition. If two vectors are participating in cross product, the resultant vector is gives like this. Similarly, AB, this E also be one of the vector, P also be vector, sine theta function we have. So such that we are define torque is equals to P cross E. So this is the resultant torque acting if your dipole is placed in uniform electric field. If dipole is placed on uniform electric field, the torque always developed due to the forces acting along the opposite directions. So that's why the torque, the dipole has been revolving like this direction. So see next one, the note. We have to discuss different cases because it is having different functions. So tau is equals to P cross E, which means we says that tau is equals to PE sine theta. So if theta is 0, what will happen? Which means in the direction, in the direct diagram, theta is 0, nothing but the dipole has been like this along the field. What will happen? Let's see. So if it is 0, theta is 0, tau is equals to PE sine 0. We know the value of sine 0, 0. So resultant torque is 0. Okay, na? Which means nothing force acting on dipole when the dipole is placed at along the electric field or along the field intensity, uniform field intensity. That's why the total torque is 0, which is minimum torque acting when the theta is 0 or the dipole has been placed along the electric field. And the second case is if theta is 90 degrees. Let's explain. So tau is equals to, we know PE sine 90 degrees. What is the sine 90 value? PE 1. Okay, now sine 90 value is 1. This is the maximum torque is developed when the dipole, see this is making some angle. Okay, in the case we are taken which is 90 degrees, like this direction. If it is like 90 degrees, then the field intensity which is maximum, this is a maximum. So similarly, third case, if theta 180 degrees, what will happen? Same formula, tau is equals to PE sine 180 degrees. So what is the value of sine 180? PE 0. So total torque is 0. This is also one of the minimum case, which means in the case from the diagram, this is 0. So he's saying that 180 degrees, which means it rotates completely 180 degrees. So the field intensity again it is 0. So these are different cases according to dipole when it is placed on uniform electric field. Okay, thank you.